Hi, Sandy here. You are living in a gold mine, seriously. If you don't have a home office deduction, you're just plain crazy. In fact, in 1999, Congress liberalized the home office rules. Bet you never heard that from your accountant. Here's what you need to do. You've got to meet several tests. You've got to use an exclusive portion of a room for business. It doesn't have to be a whole room. It can be part of a room. And how do you show it's exclusive? Here's where Taxbot comes in. You can actually take a picture with your smartphone and store it on the web and attach to your documentation. It's got to be used regularly for business. That means at least 45 minutes a day, 4 to 5 days a week. And thirdly, you've got to use it as your principal place of business. Now, to be your principal place of business, you've got to meet one of 3 tests. First option is the majority of your time must be spent at home doing business. And here Taxbot comes in by keeping track of the time you're spending. The other option is a new option that came in 1999, and it consists of 2 tests. Test 1 is that you don't have another office where you do any significant administrative work. You could have sales work at another office, just not administrative. And secondly, you do your administrative and management work out of your home. So let's take an example. Let's say you're a plumber who doesn't have another office. Now, the plumber sends all their bills and studies for their continuing education out of their home. Secondly, they don't have another office. Therefore, that qualifies as a principal place of business. Let's say 1/8 of your home is used for business or used as your home office. Then 1/8 of the utilities becomes deductible as business expenses. 1/8 of the interest is business interest. 1/8 of the taxes. 1/8 of your home can be depreciated. 1/8 of the rent, if you're renting, can be deducted. 1/8 of the maid service. 1/8 of the burglar alarm monitoring, and all those costs. A home office really is a gold mine, and you really need to look into it. You know, I teach over 75 deductions and strategies as part of our education section on Taxbot.com. Get more of this in our library. If you're not a subscriber, you better become one immediately.